So write important formulas. Write important formulas. First one, to calculate face value. Suppose the question asked is find face value. Then we have to use this formula. Okay. So to calculate face value F is equal to BD into TD divided by BG. Banker's discount into true discount divided by banker's gain. Whereas banker's gain we know it is BD minus TD. Let us come to that little later. So the first formula, face value F is equal to BD into TD divided by BG. Second, discounted value. What is discounted value? From the face value, I have to subtract the banker's discount. So that is equal to either this formula or F minus. How do you find banker's discount? Banker is always charging the rate of interest on face value, not the present value. So it is FTR. Now we can see this F is common among these, no? So therefore that is equal to F into 1 minus TR. So any of the three formulas we can proceed with, okay? Any of the three formulas. Most of the times we are using this last formula, EV is equal to F into 1 minus TR. Okay? So for the time being now, let us give some number. This is first formula which we are learning, second formula which we are learning. But understand discounted value is from the face value, you are subtracting the banker's discount. Third one, true discount. True discount, what is the formula? Discount, it is interest charged on the present value. So PTR, either this formula or we know the value, we know the formula to find the principal value, the present value. What is the present value formula? F by 1 plus TR into TR. This TR as it is. So together how we can bring that? So this is equal to FTR by 1 plus TR. This is another formula for this. Do you remember? This is the BD is equal to FTR by 1 plus TR. Next, fourth formula, BG, that is banker's gain is equal to BD minus TD, banker's discount minus true discount. So banker is charging, so what is this formula? FTR minus PTR. Okay, P is nothing but what is it? This formula found just now, FTR by 1 plus TR. Now, suppose I take LCM. See, all the time you can't be remembering all this. Just the formula, final step you remember. But how do you get that? I'm going to tell you. Okay. So 1 plus TR, if I take LCM, I will be getting FTR into 1 plus TR. That is FTR into 1 is FTR plus F into TR square minus FTR whole divided by LCM F plus T 1 plus TR. So FTR will get cancelled. So what you got, BG is equal to F into TR square whole divided by 1 plus TR. So which are the BG formulas you are going to remember? So therefore, so BG you have three formulas. First formula you know is banker's discount minus true discount. This is the first formula. Also you know this formula as true discount into TR. This is another formula for BG. Okay, it's also equal to true discount into TR, also equal to F into TR square whole divided by 1 plus TR. So these are the three formulas for BG which we have to learn. That's it. So this is the fourth one. Yes, I think we have covered all the formulas. Okay, just quickly write this. Then we will write, so this is all the, how did we get that and all is mentioned. No? Now we will write only the formulas and we will solve the problems. So let's take the formulas. Let us recall all the formulas. We have 7 formulas here, okay, 7 formulas, that is including that legally due date, all those formula. So the last set of formulas to be remembered in this chapter are, so write recall, first formula P, present value, is equal to, what is the formula? Recall, F by 1 plus TR. Okay, so just to remember these formulas, you are able to get that. Second, true discount. True discount is nothing but PTR. But P is equal to F by 1 plus TR. So together can be written as FTR by 1 plus TR. So this is TD formula. Third one, BD is equal to FTR. Fourth one, BG. Remember BG, how many formulas you know? 3 formulas. BD minus TD also equal to F into TR square all divided by 1 plus TR. Also that is equal to, now look at TD. TD is nothing but FTR by 1 plus TR. So from this remove 1 TR. So you are getting TD into what is remaining? 1 TR is remaining. That is how I got the third one. So these are the 3 formulas to be remembered for BG. Next, fifth one, discounted value formula. It is F into 1 minus TR, or it's also equal to, from the face value I subtract the banker's discount. Okay, yes. And sixth formula is legally due date. What is legally due date formula? Draw date, that is drawing date, plus bill period plus grace period. Okay, so this is bill period and this is grace period. That is legally due date formula. Yes. Next we have the last one, face value. So face value, what is the formula? BD into TD, that is all the discounts on top by banker's gain. So these are the formula you have to remember. Quickly recall and we will start with the problems. Yes, the first question. First question, a bill was drawn on, a bill was drawn on 14/3/2013 for 3 months, for 3 months, for 3 months, full stop. When does the bill fall, when does the bill fall legally due? So that means what is asked here? Legally due date is asked. Okay, so first let us write the formula. Okay, so please write the formula. Legally due date is equal to drawing date plus bill period plus grace period. So that is equal to, what is the drawing date given? 14/3/2013. What is the bill period here given in this question? 3 months. So add. And what is the grace period? We know 3 days. So therefore together when I add this, what is my answer? So here it is 2013 and here 6, 14 plus 3, 17. So 17th June 2013 is the legally due date. Second question, a bill drawn for 3 months, a bill drawn for 3 months was legally due on 18/8/2012. 18/8/2012. Full stop. Find the date of drawing of the bill. Now in the first question, drawing date was given, bill period was given, legally due date was asked. Now, legally due date is given, bill period is given, drawing date is asked. Okay, so you need to understand the question before you start. Okay, so first drawing date is asked now. So first what we will do, since we know legally due date formula, let us write legally due date formula. Then from that formula, let us see how to get drawing date. So legally due date was equal to drawing date plus bill period plus a grace period, correct? Now, I want this drawing period, the drawing date I want. So what is this? Nothing but shift this bill period and grace period to the other side. So therefore, the formula for drawing date. So drawing date will become legally due date. You have to be careful. Now it is not plus, it is minus bill period minus grace period. Okay, so be careful when you write. So therefore that is equal to, legally due date was 18/8/2012. Now it is minus bill period, 3 months you have to minus 3 days, that is grace period, you have to subtract. So here 2012 as it is, from 8, that is August, you are subtracting 3 months, so therefore you are getting 5 May. Okay, and from 18th you are subtracting 3 days, so it is 15. So this 15/5/2012 is the drawing date. Okay, similarly I said I have one question. This is for you to work out. So here I will just write what is given. So here bill drawn for 3 months. Again, bill period is 3 months. Legally due date is equal to 6709. Find drawing date first. Give me the answer. So here we know drawing date is equal to 6709 minus 3 months minus 3 days. Okay, so you are getting 09 and this is 4 and this is 3. So 3409 is the drawing date. Hope it is clear.